Resilience. Today we will tour our campus and make great educational adventure with our sophomores, asking some questions about our topics. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Stephanie Tracy Balaguer, and I am Angelica June Nalbuta, your interviewers for today.
So, I am Michelle Alvaro from the side of the year council. Teka lang po, sino? Okay na. Ayun to. Why do you think the body needs energy every day? So for me, I think our body needs energy every day so that our brain keeps working and also we can move or we can perform our daily tasks. Every day, energy every day for our body and for our brain also to function very well so that we can perform our daily tasks.
Next question, what activities make you feel more energetic or more tired?
So for me, the activities that makes me feel more energetic is sleeping because sleeping gives me more energy, and the activities that makes me feel more tired are doing household chores because it drains my body.
Okay, next question. Next question, how do food, sleep, or exercise affect your energy level?
So food, exercise, and sleep affects my energy level because one thing, food is very important so that we can have energy to perform our daily tasks. Also, sleep and what is
Exercise.
sleep and exercise because it keeps our muscles healthy also.
Next question, what what kinds of food do you think are more important for staying healthy?
So for me, the kinds of food that are very important to stay healthy are the foods that contains protein and the foods that can help you store energy through your body to perform daily tasks physically, mentally, and
Next question. Next question. How can an unhealthy lifestyle affect the body in the long term?
so unhealthy lifestyle can affect the body in the long term in a way that, like for example, if you are eating junk foods or you lack sleep every day, your body might experience in the future or might you can have a disease in the future like heart disease, heart failure, or sa organs naman, like for example, mag-eat ka ng junk foods, it can cause your kidney, it can cause you a kidney failure, and in the long run, it will affect your body and also your health.
Next question, what traits do you think people inherit for their parents?
So for me, the traits that people inherit from their parents are mostly from the physical appearance. It can be body parts, like the outside body parts, like the face, the mouth, the feet, and all. But they can also inherit medical conditions. Like for example, like me, I inherit my mother's diabetes, so I am diabetic, and that's
Next question. Next question. How can family health history influence a person's well-being?
so family.
Next question. How can family health history influence a person's well-being?
So for me, family history, health conditions can affect a person's well-being. Is like what I have said earlier that I also inherit diabetes from my mother. So it can affect a person. Like for example, makuha nila wala ang genetic na sakit sa family nila, whether through father's side or mother's side, when it comes na connected siya sa blood sa tao and sa family nila ang naka-history sa sakit, makuha yung na possible na makuha yung Why is the skin important for protecting the body? For me, the skin is very important for protecting the body. Like, for example, we are walking through we are walking outside and our body is nagkakaigos ng sunlight pala. So it is very important na hindi pa-direct yung igos sa aton or hindi na ma-feel yung katawan na sakit ang igos ng sunlight. It is because ang skin is nag-protect sa alam, and also if we have another protection from the sunlight na like for example nag-sunscreen kita and lotion so that hindi ma-igo directly sa sunlight ang alam na.
Next question. What simple habits help keep the skin and body healthy? What simple habits help keep the skin and body healthy?
So for me, the simple habits that keeps the skin healthy is doing your skincare every day. It is very important so that your skin will maintain. You can maintain it like ma-moisturize mo siya and all, and also ma-protect mo man siya sa kung ano na possible na ma-affect sa iya, and also it can the habit that can help the body stay healthy is that sleeping and also eating healthy foods and exercise.
Okay, next question. How is taking care of your body helpful in your future career?
For me, taking care of my body is very helpful for my future career, especially as a future educator. It is because staying healthy or taking care of my body helps me gain more energy so that I can perform well, especially in a real classroom setting where I am interacting with the kids, especially with my future students.
Last na lang yan. Okay. Para sino, what health advice would you share with other college students?
So for me, the health advice that I can share to my fellow college students is that always sleep on time and eat healthy food so that your body will gain more energy and you can perform your daily task as a student every day.
Thank you.